अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूँ ज़फ़र खान। 7 हेड न्यूज़ में आपका इस्तकबाल है। शहर हैदराबाद के मज़ाफ़ात में वाक़े रामोजी फ़िल्म सिटी में दिसंबर 1 तारीख से इंडिवुड फ़िल्म कार्निवल का इनेकाद अमल में लाया जा रहा है, जो 4 दिसंबर तक चलेगा।
INDIWOOD Film Carnival at Ramoji Film City. Regarding that, we wanted to tell some points to you all, which is starting on the 1st from 4th. So it's a good opportunity for the film fraternity to come over and take advantage of such carnivals and interest. The government of Telangana is also encouraging such people who are trying to do these kind of things. A lot of investors from 50 to 60 countries are coming here. Some billionaires, I think, would come here and invest in infrastructure, technology, films, and upgrading of infrastructure technology also. I think it can be done by them. Technology అనేది చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా చేంజ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి people in the film fraternity, if they come there, they'll get updated by themselves. They can get some kind of investments into Telangana through them. That also can be taken care. And this event is also they are screening 50 films, 125 films from 50 countries. They have selected it from 1,000 films throughout the world, and they're doing it. It's really hard work to do all such things. I congratulate Sohan Garu for all this. Ramoji Rolo చేస్తున్నారు. లాస్ట్ 3 terms నుంచి వాళ్ళు చేస్తుంది. I think this is the 3rd time, if I'm not wrong.
Second time?
Yeah. No. This is the 3rd edition actually. So last time also in Sushnamo, there I think they're really doing it much bigger this time. So I wish them all the best. And they are doing one talent hunt and kuda petnaru throughout the country. They are doing it with 22 categories lo danni petti, like music, dance, still photographs kaniyandi, videos kaniyandi, designing, performance arts, animation, lot of things they are doing. So వాళ్ళ మన ఫెటర్నరీ ఇండస్ట్రీ కూడా వచ్చి చాలా దీంట్లో ఉండాలని, వాళ్ళని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయాలని వీఆర్ రిక్వెస్టింగ్ దెమ్. అండ్ సోహన్ గారుని నవీన్ గారు will speak.
You can start and then
Well, this time it will be almost 3 times bigger than last year. But the main objective of this carnival is to get the investment, global investment, because without investment we cannot do anything, because he said we need to generate almost 70,000 crores to make this project happen. So we are targeting around 2,000 Indian billionaires and Indian corporates to join hands to make this project happen. Out of this, 50 billionaires are coming this time. On December 1st evening, they are all coming to attend the opening ceremony, and most of them will be here throughout the event. And through them, that's a humble beginning, and through them the other billionaires also will be joining in the coming years, and hopefully by within 2 years we will have all these 2,000 people started investing in theaters, in Make in India, all the technology transfer, everything they will be putting. I think Hyderabad will have a great share out of that, since because of your industry friendly policies, by giving licenses within 15 days and all infrastructure facilities, that will surely attract a lot of investment here. And it is a golden opportunity for the Telangana government to give a presentation in front of these billionaires how industry friendly their state is, and we will give all this opportunity for the government officials to come and present it. we have separate 8 sessions for the various industries like IT, media, medical, shipping, education, the major CSR companies like that. Different 8 sessions we are doing the investor meets. So more than 200 investors are attending that session. Other than this industry-oriented other sessions, a lot of sessions are happening in the film market. World's cricket, a new format, that is a 10-over matches, worldwide match. It is going to happen in UAE from December 14 to 17. That is the concept launch is happening in India on 2nd of December. All the sponsors of all the 6 teams, they are all coming here. It's a big function. A separate exclusive function is happening on 2nd evening also. That is also a great event. 3rd evening we have Fashion TV is going to telecast. It's a huge fashion event is happening in Miss INDIWOOD and Mr. INDIWOOD title will be given there. And 4th will be the closing ceremony. That is also a big colorful event. Other than this, the biggest achievement is the media support, the worldwide media support. Even from US, Wall Street Journal is also sending their representatives. We are expecting more than 300 major medias participating this time. That is also a great achievement for INDIWOOD. That means this concept is going to spread all around the world. And talent hunt is something great which can find out the next generation talents. We already done the first round talent hunt, and the finalists, almost 2,500 finalists will be coming here for the final round of competition in 22 categories. That will also happen in these 4 days. And I think it's a great opportunity for the entire media in Hyderabad to come and cover all these events. Almost 15 venues we have over there. I think you should come with a big team, otherwise you can never ever cover all these events. It's such a big, and we are happy to say that this is the only film carnival in the world, and it happens in Hyderabad. Thank you.
డిసెంబర్ 1 నుంచి 4 డిసెంబర్ వరకు మన రామోజీ ఫిల్మ్ సిటీలో ఇండివుడ్ ఫిల్మ్ కార్నివల్ ఏర్పాటవుతుంది. మన హైదరాబాద్లో ఇది 2nd టైం. లాస్ట్ టైం ఇది చాలా పెద్ద ఎత్తున జరిగింది. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ మనం ఏ స్థాయికి అనుకున్నామో ఆ స్థాయి కన్నా ఎక్కువనే లాస్ట్ టైం ఈవెంట్ జరిగింది. ఈసారి ఇంకా పెద్దది ఇది ఏర్పాట్లు చేస్తున్నారు. ఆల్మోస్ట్ లాస్ట్ టైం కన్నా 3 టైమ్స్ ఈవెంట్ పెద్దది ఉంది. ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఈవెంట్ కేరళలో చేశారు. 2nd టైం లాస్ట్ టైం హైదరాబాద్లో చేస్తే మంచి సక్సెస్ అయింది, ప్లస్ మంచి రెస్పాన్స్ కూడా వచ్చింది. అందుకే 3rd ఈవెంట్ కూడా హైదరాబాద్లోనే ఏర్పాటవుతుంది. ముఖ్యంగా మనం చూస్తే హైదరాబాద్ ఇప్పుడు మన దేశంలో ఒక ఫిల్మ్ క్యాపిటల్గా తయారవుతుంది. అంటే ట్రెడిషనల్గా మన ముంబై ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ మనము ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనుకుంటున్నాము, హిందీ ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ, ఎందుకంటే ముంబైలో ఉంది. బట్ ఓవరాల్గా మన దేశంలో చూస్తే హైదరాబాద్ ఒక ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీకి ఓవరాల్గా హబ్ తయారవుతుంది. ఫిల్మ్స్తో పాటు చాలా పెద్ద ఎత్తున సీరియల్స్ కూడా ఇక్కడ షూట్ అవుతున్నాయి. మన రామోజీ ఫిల్మ్ సిటీ ప్లస్ ఇంకా ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఫిల్మ్ సంబంధించిన ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్, స్టూడియోస్ చూస్తే, ల్యాబ్స్ చూస్తే చాలా వరకు ఫిల్మ్లో జరిగే వర్క్ ఇక్కడనే జరుగుతుంది. ఇది మన రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం కూడా ఈ ఇండస్ట్రీకి ఇంకా పెంచాలి, దాని మీద చాలా కృషి చేస్తున్నాము. ఈ మధ్యలోనే మనం తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ ఫిల్మ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ కార్పొరేషన్ మనం ఏర్పాటు చేశాము. మన రామోహన్ గారు ఫిల్మ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ కార్పొరేషన్కి చైర్మన్గా ఉన్నారు. అదేవిధంగా మనం ఇక్కడ ఫిల్మ్ షూటింగ్స్ ఎంకరేజ్ చేయడానికి ఒక సింగిల్ విండో సిస్టమ్, ఫిల్మ్ సంబంధించిన షూటింగ్స్ చాలా ఈజీగా దానికి సిస్టమ్ ప్లస్ పర్మిషన్స్ ఈజీగా జరగాలి. అదేవిధంగా ఈకో సిస్టమ్ తయారవ్వాలి, దాని మీద కృషి జరుగుతుంది. దాంతోపాటు రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం చాలా పెద్ద ఎత్తున గేమింగ్, యానిమేషన్, విఎఫ్ఎక్స్, ఇది ఒక ఫిల్మ్లో చాలా పెద్ద ఎత్తున ఇంపార్టెంట్ భాగం తయారవుతుంది. గేమింగ్, యానిమేషన్, విఎఫ్ఎక్స్, విజువల్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్. మీరు ఈ మధ్యలో బాహుబలి పిక్చర్ చూశారు, చాలా వరకు దానికి వర్క్ ఇక్కడే జరిగింది. ఆల్మోస్ట్ వరల్డ్ క్లాస్ లెవెల్లో ఇప్పుడు వర్క్ చేసే మన దగ్గర ఇక్కడ కేపబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది. అది గమనించి రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం దానికి ఎట్లా ఎంకరేజ్ చేయాలి దాని మీద కూడా చాలా కృషి చేస్తుంది. ఐటీ అండ్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ దాని మీద ఒక మంచి పాలసీతో కూడా వచ్చారు. ఇమేజ్ టవర్ కూడా ఒకటి ఇక్కడ కట్టడానికి చాలా కృషి జరుగుతుంది. దాంతోపాటు టీ హబ్లో కూడా ఈ స్టార్టప్ ఈకో సిస్టమ్కి ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ జరుగుతుంది. సో ఇటువంటి ఈవెంట్స్ మన హైదరాబాద్కి రావటం చాలా నేను అనుకున్నాను మనకు ఒక మంచిది. ఎందుకంటే ఈ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్లో జరిగే వర్క్ ఒక వేదిక పైన ఏం జరుగుతుంది, ఎట్లా జరుగుతుంది, ఇక్కడ ఇన్వెస్టర్స్ వస్తే, ఇక్కడ ఆ సంబంధించిన పర్సన్స్ వస్తే, గ్లోబలీ వస్తే వాళ్ళు కూడా అర్థం చేసుకుంటారు అంటే హైదరాబాద్లో ఉన్న కేపబిలిటీ ఏముంటుంది. దాంతో ఇక్కడ చాలా బూస్ట్ వస్తుంది. లాస్ట్ టైం నేను స్వయంగా కూడా పాల్గొన్నాను. చాలా విదేశాల నుంచి కూడా చాలామంది ఈ ఫిల్మ్ సంబంధించిన ఫెటర్నిటీ నుంచి వచ్చారు. ఈసారి ఇంకా పెద్ద ఎత్తున ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్స్ కూడా భారతదేశంలో ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్స్ ముఖ్యంగా హైదరాబాద్కి కేంద్రించి ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్స్ కోసం కూడా చాలా ఇన్వెస్టర్స్ వస్తున్నారు. ఒక 50 మంది బిలియనర్స్కి ఇన్వైట్ చేశారు. ఇంకా దాదాపు ఒక 500 కార్పొరేట్ ఇన్వెస్టర్స్ కూడా ఇన్వైట్ చేశారు. సో ఇటువంటి ఈవెంట్స్ జరిగితే నేను అనుకున్నాను మన హైదరాబాద్ ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీకి, హైదరాబాద్కి, ఈ ఈకో సిస్టమ్కి చాలా బాగుంటుంది నేను భావించి మళ్ళీ నా తరఫు నుంచి ఈ 3rd ఇండివుడ్ ఫిల్మ్ కార్నివల్ December 1st నుంచి 4th వరకు జరిగే కార్నివల్కి నా తరఫు నుంచి శుభాకాంక్షలు చెప్పి ముగిస్తున్నాను.
Yeah, a couple of points which I want to add up. I would want to thank the Chief Minister and also Cinema Minister and both the gentlemen who have been giving us fantastic support so far. We had a lot of invitation from different other states, especially from Mumbai, and also I'm not sure that I should name other states, neighboring states. One of the reasons why we would want to continue doing it is because here in Hyderabad is because of their approach, investor friendly. The state run as a corporate and very transparent, very straightforward. They always encourage investments. KPMG along with us would be launching the investor consortium fund structuring. That is one of the point we missed out to say, and we welcome you all. It's a larger, 3 times bigger function if you compare to last year. Thank you for coming in, and any questions?
Film industry in terms of number of theatre admissions and number of movies being produced. We are holding 40% world market share. We were, not today. It is declining. Our theatres are closing down, and our revenue wise we are nowhere near to Hollywood. Technologically also we are just copying them. We are not the leaders, but it should not happen because cinema is in our blood. It is our responsibility to make sure cinema we give respect to the cinema, and we can make cinema as a tool to conquer the world. So a total revamping is required so that within 5 years we plan it properly. The Indian film industry, so far it is not an industry at all. It is not structured. We make movies in 20 different languages. It is totally disintegrated thing. Individuals make movies and live. That's all. But we are now going to make it as an industry. We are going to structure, integrate it. We are going to structure it. KPMG, one of the leading firm is doing the structuring process. Deloitte already done the research on this one, and using that professional setup we are going to structure it, and within 5 years this industry will grow by 10 times, not 1 time or 2 times. That is the potential. That is the way it is designed, so that by the time we get enlarged by 5 to 6 times, we can overtake Hollywood. So that means that if we achieve 50% of the target itself, we can overtake Hollywood. That is the way it is designed. So for that purpose, first thing is we need to have investment. Unfortunately here we don't have any individual, or we don't have the government got that much fund to put. So this 70,000 crore required for the transformation is generated through the INDIWOOD consortium. That consortium is getting formed. To make this consortium, we are conducting this INDIWOOD carnival, where we are inviting these investors, we are giving them confidence, government is giving confidence, industry is giving confidence, then their money will be coming and they will join the system. Then naturally this process will happen. All these members will be starting a multiplex in their hometown. So and these multiplexes will have the 8K screens also. That means by 2020 India will be the only country in the world with 8K screens. So that technologically also we will be one step ahead of Hollywood, and we need to start exporting our product worldwide. Just like Hollywood is exporting their product to India, we need to start exporting it. So we will have an integrated dubbing center where any Indian movie can be dubbed to 100 languages and we can start exporting it. But when you export, we need to have a network for the distribution also. So parallelly, this distribution network is also getting ready. The sample work already done. You won't believe that a country like UK, a small country like UK, today every week is releasing a Malayalam movie, 119 centers. If a Malayalam movie can do such a wonder, just imagine other movies, other languages, how much they can do. That also in almost all the countries, if you work properly. So these all transformation going to happen in the next 5 years. It will be done by the INDIWOOD.
A lot of investments go into making films. I'm referring to films like Padmavati and the others. There have been controversies. So, would that create any barrier to the investors?
No. Thing is, this time around 50 billionaires coming. Out of that, almost 3 are from Hyderabad actually. But what we are targeting is around 300 to 400 investors will be in the 2000 consortium. 300 to 400 will be from both Telangana and Andhra, the Telugu speaking people, because the Telugu film industry is targeting 2 major states. Same time, it can be exported other places, just like Bahubali conquered the world. But Bahubali got only 4 languages, but in Bahubali 3 comes, we can export it in 100 languages. Okay. So when these investors coming here, that is the role of the government. When they project the infrastructure facilities here, the industry support, starting an industry, how fast they can do it, how industry friendly the system is, then naturally because when the transformation happens, the technology transfer is also required. In Indian bringing this T10 cricket format launch here means it is 90 minutes program actually. So this T10 format can be shown in all the theaters worldwide. So this is that's why these theaters will be a good platform where it can be screened. So a lot of opportunities there. So the revenue of the theaters will be drastically going up. When the revenue going up, naturally it will the money is coming back to the industry. It will benefit the film industry, since the world's largest film industry is in film studio is in Telangana and this Hyderabad. The studios like Ramoji Film City will have a huge chance. Especially last year, Mr. B.R. Shetty came. He announced the 1,000 crore Mahabharata project. Next year, it should happen. I don't think any other studio in India got that much facility like.
The committee was appointed for the censorship issue last year. So he was spearheading the conference last year as well. He's expected to come.
I think you are the one to explain about the policy changes.
No, they were asked.
From there, the countdown starts from there for 5 years. And even before that is last year, for example, B.R. Shetty came. Only 1 billionaire came last year. And he announced a 1,000 crore project, the biggest movie project. This time, we are 100% sure that all these 50 people will be announcing their project. Because now 35 crores per person should invest in this project actually. And already, but there is no upper limit. People like Shetty can announce maybe 100 times more than what is required. So there is no upper limit, but minimum what we are requesting is 35 crores. So that this 2,000 people can generate 70,000 crores. This is what we require for the project.
So, first to fourth, you will get a lot of questions answered. And our PR guys are here. Please ask them questions as well. We are here as well. So, thank you. Thank you for coming in.
दोस्तों, अगर आपको हमारी न्यूज़ पसंद आ रही है तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।